Imagine robots grappling, suplexing, even knocking each other out in a ring, all without human control. It sounds like science fiction, but robot wrestling is already happening. Recently in China, humanoid robots took center stage in what is being called the world's first kickboxing and combat championship. They donned gloves, delivered blows, took hits. Even a few went down hard, demonstrating real advances in robot agility and balance. Robo Horizon magazine. AI You Can Touch the Times of India. www.ndtv.com+2. The Economic Times +2. Now imagine robot wrestling. Suplexes, body slams, and throwdowns between mechanical opponents. It's closer to reality than you might think. In Japan, hobbyists have organized Dekanoka, robot pro wrestling matches where custom robots pursue suplexes, throws, and count-out rules just like WWE, but with wires and circuits. These matches go beyond mere novelty. Each robot has a backstory, a persona, and fans who cheer for their favorites. Bipedrobot News, Japan.blogspot.com. Meanwhile, global robot combat leagues like BattleBots and National Havoc Robot League, NHRL, are valorizing smash-ups with active weapons, spinning discores, and kinetic impact battles. Some recent heavyweight championships draw audiences worldwide, and they gush about robots flipping each other, using sand shovels or chairs, and even turning off a rival's housebot switch mid-fight. Wikipedia all of this circles back to a question. As WWE gears up for SummerSlam, could robot wrestling become an entertainment alternative, or even surpass human wrestling? First, let's look at what happened in China. In May 2025, robots from Unitree and other companies performed in a humanoid kickboxing match. G1 model robots landed gloves-on punches, performed kung fu-inspired moves, and even produced a recorded knockout. While some rounds were remote-controlled, others included autonomous sequences. Robots that learned to balance, dodge, and recover from falls. It spread across social media and sparked comparisons to the movie Real Steel. The Rundown Robotics Splatter 11, www.ndtv.com+, thepesquino.com+. 11. The Times of India +5 Stake News, in +5 www.ndtv.com +5. Next, robot football competitions in Beijing had teams of bots stumble, tumble, and score goals autonomously. Though the matches looked comedic, a robot injured and removed on a stretcher, researchers celebrated the event for demonstrating decision-making, AI navigation, and multi-agent coordination. These challenges are key to future robot wrestling stability and control. The sun contrast that with WWE SummerSlam, choreographed athleticism, dramatic storylines, global stars, and emotional crowd moments. Robot matches are more raw, experimental. Gear, precision, and programming drive every move. So what might robot wrestling bring that could match or even exceed human wrestling? First, technical spectacle. Machines can be designed with signature moves, programmable feats, and custom themes. Builders could create persona-based bots like Steel Suplexer or Robo Rumble. Much like BattleBots, robot wrestlers could evolve and improve over time, raising anticipation with every upgrade. Second, safety and novelty. No blood, no injuries, just durable machines battling it out. This makes it perfect for live-streamed arenas or virtual audiences. Fans could pick sides, wager, and watch real-time damage without ethical concerns over athlete injury. Third, designers and engineers become the performers. Behind every match is a robotics team innovating rigs, weapons, sensors, balance algorithms. This shifts the fame from wrestlers to engineers, a new kind of celebrity. However, there are limitations. Today's humanoid robots still move with stiff precision, jerky motions, limited endurance, and slower reflexes. Falls happen frequently. Hard hits risk hardware damage, and remote operators still fine-tune strategies mid-bout. We're not yet at fully autonomous robot wrestlers competing by themselves. Most events still rely human intervention. Stake news in global times, but progress is rapid. Events like Engine AI's upcoming Mecha Boxing King tournament in Shenzhen will debut full-sized humanoid combat robots by December 2025, testing perception, balance, decision-making, and self-learning in pursuit of theatrical yet technical carnage. Stake news. In plus 2, Robo Horizon Magazine. AI you can touch. Zatsu Global Times plus 2. Then there's research like OpenAI's Robo Sumo, virtual humanoid bots trained through adversarial learning to wrestle and maintain balance. These simulations help improve coordination and adaptive strategies, a foundation for real-world wrestling machines. Researchers describe strategies like squatting for stability, outmaneuvering opponents, and anticipating moves, all learned autonomously via competition. Wired, so where could robot wrestling be in the next few years? By 2026 or 2027, we may see leagues with refined robots executing themed performances. Robots might be rated by weight class, style, and moveset. Live commentary, slow-motion replays, sponsorship tie-ins, think sports meets sci-fi. Beyond entertainment, the underlying robotics develop skills with practical value: balance, decision-making under stress, recovery from failure. Industries like manufacturing, warehouse automation, search and rescue, and elder care robots could benefit from advances tested in robot wrestling arenas. Robot wrestling may even find hybrid formats, humans versus robots in staged matches, or team events where strategy matters more than brute force. But will robot wrestling ever beat WWE SummerSlam? Probably not in raw emotion or celebrity charisma. Humans bring storytelling, audience connection, and improvisation no machine can replicate. But robot wrestling brings novelty, technical fascination, and an edge, a glimpse at machine potential that WWE can't match. For creators, fans, and technologists, robot wrestling is a trend worth watching. If you love robotics, AI, or combat culture, follow leagues like Battle of Robots, NHRL, and upcoming AI combats in Shenzhen and Beijing. They shine a light on where mechanical strength, code-driven strategy, and engineering meet spectacle. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe to TechWise. And tell me in the comments, would you watch robot wrestling instead of SummerSlam? Maybe place a bet on your favorite mech fighter. Let's debate it. Thanks for watching, and keep your eye on robots. They're not just the future of work, they just might become the future of sports.